So I just figured out that sausage apparently likes the swings too. So, let me show you what that looks like. I think last time we came here, I tried it out on him. He was fine. This time he was kind of milling around right here while I started swinging. Okay, you ready? Let's see. Should work. You ready? Come here. Come here. Okay, you gotta pick him up first. You want to swing again? You want to swing again? Yeah. Look. Here's what I'm doing. Oh. You want to do this too? Uh-oh, I hear the rain coming. The rain's moving this way. The rain's moving this way. What do we do? You want to swing? You want to swing too? No? Oh no! Let's go! Woo! Run, Ma, run! Why am I running faster? Wait for me to cross the street, good boy! Where you at? Oh shit, I probably shouldn't hold